How to download Google Slides. So once you have finished editing out your presentation and everything else is ready, right, it will get automatically saved on Slides website. Now let's say you want to download this so that you can share it with other people and send it, maybe because it was your assignment or whatever else. Now to find the download button is actually quite simple. All you have to do is from the top left, you'll find the option that says File. You can just go to the File option, and right there you can see this option that says Download. Now there will be different formats for you to choose from. You can download in a Microsoft PowerPoint format so that this will be editable in PowerPoint. You can use it in an ODP document format. If you select PDF, it will not be editable, but usually for presentation, PDF is basically the best choice. You can also download each individual images as a JPEG image or PNG image, or you can also download a scalable. So scalable means a vector format, which will be in .svg format. So if you want to scale this to a larger size as well, and it will be actually downloaded in the vector graphics as well. So this way you'll be able to download Google Slides. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.